Most businesses rush into a CRM without understanding what they actually need. The surprising truth is that the wrong platform can slow your growth instead of helping it. Today, we are comparing Odoo CRM and Go High Level so you can choose the one that truly fits your goals. Let's start with Odoo CRM. Odoo is part of a massive business software ecosystem. It is not just a CRM. It also includes accounting, inventory, marketing, project management, and more. You can start with the CRM and add other tools as your business grows. This makes Odoo extremely flexible for companies that want everything in one place. Odoo CRM is great for tracking leads, managing pipelines, and forecasting sales. You can see where each deal is in the process and automate follow-ups. The interface is clean, but because Odoo has so many features, it can feel complex at first. Now let's look at Go High Level. This platform is built mainly for marketers, agencies, and service-based businesses. It combines CRM, funnels, email, SMS, and automation in one system. The goal is to capture leads and move them through a sales process automatically. Most people get this wrong by choosing based on popularity instead of business type. If you run an agency or local service business, Go High Level's automation and built-in marketing tools can save hours every week. You can set up automatic texts, emails, and reminders without extra software. On the other hand, if you run an e-commerce store, manufacturing business, or company with operations beyond marketing, Odoo may be the better choice. It connects sales with accounting, inventory, and operations. Pricing also differs. Odoo lets you pay for only the apps you use. Go High Level charges a flat monthly fee that includes all features. The surprising truth is that the best CRM is not the most powerful, but the one that matches your workflow. Subscribe for more honest software comparisons.